14 likes already, that's cool. I don't know if I've had a stream yet or I've had 20 likes. See if I can go back to where I can view the chat. What? Sparks? No way, did I just miss that? No way. Sparks. Welcome, welcome. Welcome in. Welcome in, my friend. Hope you're doing good. Sunday evening over there. Hope your family is well. Nice. Nice. I'm assuming content is coming up. It's so funny here, the sprint, there was rain. It has not rained here in South Florida in months. That was literally the only day of any sight of rain. Yeah, there you go. Exactly, you know exactly that's exactly what I'm thinking. Oh yeah. There were lines in the sky a couple of days before the race. Let's not mess around with our points here, right? Let's see, let's see, let's see. That one's for you, Sparks. Definitely appreciate you stopping by. I'll definitely be saving this screenshot. I'm gonna place my phone under my bed and I'm gonna go to sleep tonight happy because Sparks stopped by my chat. Love you, Sparks. Love you. Nice release. Let's try that Rory string theory. Definitely. Big love for sure. 35, let's go. Let's go. Yeah, come on, let's try to fight for a podium. Let's get that podium. Let's get that podium.
Wow!
Twice in the same race? Are you effing kidding me?
Ha!
I noticed the angle is wrong. He's coming in. This one's for you, Sparks. Dedicate this win to you. Dedicate that win to you, Sparks. There you go. Thank you for stopping by the channel for the first time. That was awesome. Dedicate this one to Sparks. For the sake of Cinco de Mayo. Let's take a mini shot. Cheers. This was for you, Sparks. Ooh.